If I would have known this during my 2 failed IVFs and never seeing a positive pregnancy test for over 5 years, it could have dramatically changed my journey and helped me get through some really hard times. IVF is a treatment, it's not a diagnosis, and it for sure as hell does not dictate your future. There are hundreds of thousands of women, including myself, who get pregnant naturally after multiple failed IVFs and miscarriages during treatment. My last frozen embryo transfer that I got pregnant with twins and then had an early miscarriage really taught me that there can be no rhyme or reason for why it doesn't work. I had everything. I had the perfect diet. I myself had seen success with an IVF baby. I had immune suppressing drugs. We had healthy looking embryos, and it just didn't work. 2 months later, I was pregnant naturally with my second son. Now, my first IVF exposed that I had low egg quality, and yes, the experts told me that there was nothing I can do about it, just try IVF again. Luckily, I did not take their advice, and I worked really hard on my physical health, and I got better egg quality and went on to produce an IVF baby. I failed more times than I saw success. And when my journey was going to be over, all I wanted for myself, baby or no baby, was that I was proud and that I in fact did everything that I possibly could for that time, that era, the knowledge that I could have possibly gained and the actions that I possibly could have taken, and that I did them. And if they didn't quote unquote work, then I was not going to have any regrets. This is why I teach intuition and discernment so much, because you can be led down a path that doesn't feel right to you because you think you have all the evidence you need that it's never going to work. So it's going to be up to you. Are you ready for that next step? Donor egg or surrogacy or both? And if you're not, look at what you have and haven't done in the past and what you can do that can possibly improve your situation before you take those next steps. I have obviously never had a client who was doing all the right things and actually doing all the right things, including me. Many of us in this journey need to recognize that what we are doing isn't working, and doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result is just insanity. It's time to take that radical responsibility for yourself and really understand that a failed IVF, that another period, that a miscarriage is not evidence of your future.